how to log into Adobe Acrobat. So you want to get into the Adobe Acrobat. No problem, it's pretty straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First things first, you will need an Adobe Acrobat installed on your phone. Once I've got it installed, go ahead and open it up. You can see my app over here. Simply tap on it. And once you're in the home page, you will see a profile icon in the top right corner. It's over here. Simply tap on it, and that will open up here an option for the sign in, which is the first option. Simply tap on it, and after that you will be provided with the options. Here you can sign in with the Google, Facebook and Apple. Earlier I have signed up using the Google, so I'm using Google over here. Simply tap on sign in with the Google. Now choose your account. And as you can see, I have successfully logged into Adobe Acrobat over here. It was easy peasy, right? If you are having trouble, double check that you are using the current email address or the Gmail address that you have signed up with earlier. And that's how you log into the Adobe Acrobat. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.